Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a neck break pullback. My recommendation is you already know how to do a neck break and you already know how to do a basket pullback. Links to those in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them, it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard neck break. We go semicircle back, big strong signal, or not as the case may be. We come in, left hand to left shoulder, dropping the right hand down so we can see those fingertips. Standard twist out. We're not going to offer the other hand. So up until now, normal neck break. Instead of bringing the lady round the corner, we're going to send the lady straight forwards, and we're going to pick up the lady's shoulder with our left hand, and we're going to step over to the right behind the lady. So the lady's heading forwards, we're getting to a nice extension. We can now pull back to bring the lady backwards, and we can use the right hand and the shoulder to do that nicely. And then at that point, we can let go with the right hand, dodge the arm, slide the left hand going around her, and down to the hand. Okay, so let's do the same thing from this side and think numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, forwards 4, sliding 5, and facing 6. So let's do it. Here we go. Neck break, pull back. 5, 6, a neck break, pull back. It's a back, in, twist, forwards, backwards, catch. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. It's one of those things that it's kind of useful when you're doing a neck break and you use it to hit something in the music that the neck break wasn't going to fit nicely for. So you can be part way in and go, oh, actually I can change my plan and then I can hit the music right. So it's useful from a musicality point of view. But that's kind of the main purpose of it. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking will promote the move, subscribing will promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell will make sure you get told every time a new video comes out, as long as it's turned on in your settings, that is. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.